In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages in Confluence. If you're building out documentation, onboarding guides, or repeating a standard layout, duplicating a page is one of the fastest ways to stay consistent and save time. I'll walk you through it step by step with a few tips to keep everything tidy and accurate. Start by opening Confluence and heading to the space where your original page lives. Navigate to the exact page you want to copy so you can see the content in full. It helps to confirm you have view and edit access to that space. If you can open the page and normally edit it, you're good to go. Make sure you're on the latest version of the page so your copy reflects the most up-to-date content. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the three dots, the More Actions menu. Click that, then choose Copy from the drop-down. Confluence instantly creates a duplicate draft of your page, leaving the original untouched. You'll land in the editor with the copied content ready to go. Around this point, if you need Confluence itself, I've placed the official link right at the top of the description so you can sign in or learn more. It's easy to follow along as you watch. If you don't see the copy option, you may not have the necessary permissions, so check with your space admin. Give the new page a clear, descriptive title at the top. This is important, especially if you're keeping it under the same parent page, because titles typically need to be unique within a single page tree. A good approach is to include a date, version, and your project name so you can find it later and avoid confusion with the original. Choose where the duplicated page should live. If you want it to stay near the original, keep the same parent. If it belongs elsewhere, select a different parent page, or even move it into another space if you have access. Placing it thoughtfully now will help your team discover it in the correct context. Review the content and make any updates you need. Adjust names, dates, links, and any embedded references so they point to the right places. Double-check macros and tables to ensure they still make sense in this new context. When everything looks correct, click Publish to make the duplicated page live, and that's the fast trick to duplicate pages in Confluence. It's a huge time saver when working with repeated formats or structured documentation. Thanks for watching.